So let's take a look inside. So you can make it do something, like see here, but I have. You can make the parasol. So get them all now! Hi everyone! So right here, I have a Progressive Learning AR World Kit by YFS26 Procure Gold. So the first set that I want to show you is for Archeologist set. So an archaeologist is someone who studies the past through findings and discoveries, like fossils and dinosaur bones. So did you know that being an archaeologist isn't just about digging up things and finding new discoveries, but you also need to know where is the place that this item that you're trying to find for, that you're trying to look for is. And using technology, archaeologists can use lasers to scan the underground and make a very detailed 3D map of what's inside. So let's take a look inside. You can see here that there's a world map of all the dinosaurs, and you need to match all the discs that are not fitted to their correct places. So take a look at the picture and take a look at their shadow, attach them, and you'll find out where they live. Like this mosasaurus lives in Africa. There's also this memory game which will help you train your memory. So you need to find out which dinosaur goes where, and you also need to remember it too. So take a good look at all of these and try to remember where they go. So let me show you one of the best ways to learn, which is actually my favorite. So you can see here that I have chosen 2 cards from the dinosaur pack, and you just need to open up the app and put it on the camera and it comes to life. So you can make it do something like swim around, check the fun facts, and open up its animal profile. Dino profile. So you can click on it and find out where it lives, the comparison, and you can learn a lot from this, like where they live, when they lived, and how big they were. So did you know that the mosasaurus's jaws can open up very wide, and it works just like a snake, so they can eat large prey whole because of the jaws that work like a snake. So this works for any card, like the Parasaurolophus. You can see here that the Parasaurolophus. You can make the Parasaurolophus do something, you can check its fun facts, and did you know that the Parasaurolophus has this crest? And this crest works like a trumpet, like the musical instrument, because this trumpet is hollow and can be filled with air to make sounds and communicate. So this is one of the best ways to learn, but remember, it's not just these 2 cards. You have a whole pack of cool AR flashcards, so don't forget to check them out. So that's about it for this kit, and remember, there are 2 other kits that you can learn with, so get them all now!